Vivo IPL 2022 All 10 team new final squad. Punjab Kings final squad. Aaron Finch from Australia. Arshdeep Singh from India. Mahindu Asaranga from Sri Lanka. Mayank Agarwal from India. Joe Root from England. Mohammad Nabi from Afghanistan. Hardik Tyagi from India. Ambati Rayudu from India. Landon Simmons from West Indies. Chris Box from England. Kyle Jamieson from New Zealand. Piyush Chawla from India. Shubman Gill from India. Shahbaz Nadeem from India. Vijay Shankar from India. Pawan Negi from India. Deepak Hooda from India. Kolkata Knight Riders final squad. Venkatesh Iyer from India. Sunil Narayan from West Indies. Ishan Kishan from India. Andre Russell from West Indies. Varun Chakravarti from India. Washington Sundar from India. Faf du Plessis South Africa. Moses Henriques from Australia. Nathan English from Australia. Deepak Chahar from India. Amit Mishra from India. Mitchell Starc from Australia. Prasidh Krishna from India. Harpreet Barar from India. Shahbaz Ahmed from India. PM Gar from India. Riddhiman Saha from India. Basil Thampi from India. Saurabh Tiwari from India. Delhi Capital final squad. Rishabh Pant from India. Chris Nortje from South Africa. Akshar Patel from India. Quinton de Kock from South Africa. Tim David from Singapore. Prithvi Shaw from India. Chris Sodhi from New Zealand. Glenn Phillips from New Zealand. Suresh Raina from India. Lukman Meriwala from India. Rinku Singh from India. Lungi Ngidi from South Africa. Marcus Stoinis from Australia. Jayant Yadav from India. Riyan Parag from India. Rishi Dhawan from India. Finn Allen from Australia. Navdeep Saini from India. Mohammad Azharuddin from India. Dinesh Karthik from India. Mumbai Indians final squad. Rohit Sharma from India. Aaron Pollard from West Indies. Surya Kumar Yadav from India. Jasprit Bumrah from India. Lockie Ferguson from New Zealand. Mitchell Marsh from Australia. Shahrukh Khan from India. Karan Sharma from India. Sam Billings from England. Sam Curran from England. Martin Guptill from New Zealand. Matthew Wade from Australia. Krishnappa Gautam from India. Ishant Sharma from India. Kuldeep Yadav from India. Dwayne Conway from New Zealand. Dipal Patel from India. Michael Santner from New Zealand. Rajasthan Royal final squad. Sanju Samson from India. Josh Butler from England. Yashasvi Jaiswal from India. Simran Hetmeyer from West Indies. Dwayne Bravo from West Indies. Ravichandran Ashwin from India. Chetan Sakaria from India. Mujibur Rahman from Afghanistan. Josh Hazelwood from Australia. Alex Carey from Australia. Tom Curran from England. Siddharth Paul from India. Narayan Jagdishan from India. Hardik Pandya from India. Khalil Ahmed from India. Anuj Rawat from India. Jaydev Unadkat from India. Sunrise Hyderabad final squad. Ken Williamson from New Zealand. Imran Malik from India, Ken Richardson from Australia, Chris Morris from South Africa, Colin Munro from New Zealand, Bhuvneshwar Kumar from India, Adam Markram from South Africa, Pat Cummins from Australia, Shivam Dubey from India, Hossein Thomas from West Indies, Rajat Patidar from India, Alex Saxena from India, Sandeep Warrior from India, Nitish Rana from India, Sarfraz Khan from India, Meg Markande from India, Kamlesh Nagarkoti from India. Team Lucknow final squad: Ian Morgan from England, David Malan from England, KL Rahul from India, Devdutt Padikkal from India, Stephen Rutherford from West Indies, David Miller from South Africa, Darren Mitchell from New Zealand, Adam Jampa from Australia, Harshal Patel from India, Chris Lynn from Australia, Virat Singh from India, Jagdishan Suchit from India, Arjun Tendulkar from India, Aditya Tare from India, Guy Richardson from Australia, Cheteshwar Pujara from India, Sandeep Sharma from India. Team Ahmedabad final squad: Ben Stokes from England, Chris Gale from West Indies, Shreyas Iyer from India, Rahul Tripathi from India, Kevin Lewis from West Indies, Andrew Tye from Australia, Jason Roy from England, Rashid Khan from Afghanistan, Mohsin Khan from India, Tim Southee from New Zealand, Mandeep Singh from India, Riyaz Gopal from India, T. Natarajan from India, Mustafizur Rahman from Bangladesh, Kedar Jadhav from India, Abhishek Sharma from India, Maipal Romror from India, Elton Jackson from India. Chennai Super Kings final squad: MS Dhoni from India, Ravindra Jadeja from India, Ruturaj Gaikwad from India, Moeen Ali from England, Gisho Rabada from South Africa, Shikhar Dhawan from India, Akibul Hasan from Bangladesh, Ajinkya Harane from India, Jimmy Neesham from New Zealand, Jason Holder from West Indies, Nathan Coulter Nile from Australia, Avesh Khan from India, Rahul Chahar from India, Umesh Yadav from India, Ken Cutting from Australia, KM Asif from India, Rahul Tewatia from India, Fabian Allen from West Indies, Murugan Ashwin from India. Royal Challenger Bangalore final squad: Virat Kohli from India, Glenn Maxwell from Australia, Mohammad Siraj from India, Shardul Thakur from India, Manish Pandey from India, Trent Bolt from New Zealand, Kunal Pandya from India, Adam Milne from New Zealand, Tim Seifert from New Zealand, Ravi Bishnoi from India, Mohammad Shami from India, Chris Jordan from England, David Warner from Australia, Keith Bharat from India, Sachin Baby from India, Liam Livingstone from England, Anupul Roy from India, Rassi Banded Dusen from South Africa, Lalit Yadav from India. Viewers, who is your favorite player? Please comment box this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.